wire to the butterfly wings. Tools used in this step: 20 iron wire glue gun. For larger butterfly wings, we use 3 iron wires. Bend the iron wires super slightly, put them between 2 layers of butterfly wings, and then use a glue gun to glue along the iron wires. For the smaller wings, we use 2 wires, the same operation. After gluing, we got 4 big wings and 4 small wings. Step 6. Assemble the wings and body. Divide the wings into left and right groups. Each group has 2 large wings and 2 small wings. First, take out a large wing on the left, put it on the body of the butterfly, press the intersection of the wires, and pull all the wires forward. Then use a glue gun to glue the large wings and the butterfly's small body together. Glue 2 layers of large wings on each side. Glue the small wings in the same way. Take out the paper tape, wrap the iron wire. Adjust the shape of the butterfly wings. And the little butterfly is finished.